And it's up with the bonnets, a bonny Dundee. Cumulonimbus, the ultimate in storm clouds. There were tons today. Didn't get any storms, but plenty of cumulonimbus, like lone poppy. And look at the look on that squirrel's face. Talk about resignation. Then through in Glasgow, there was a guy lying on the pavement with a fag in his mouth, fast asleep. Hear him snoring. It's been one of those days. To the Lords of Convention, 'twas clever how spoke, and if you think I can remember the rest of the words, you're having a joke. But it's not easy to think of a rhyme off the cuff. But I'll just have to try, 'cause it'll just sound too duff. That'll do.